Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Shirgaonkar, student teacher from Bombay Teachers Training College. And today we'll be learning the second part of the chapter Local Time and Standard Time, which is from 8th standard. Now let us begin. In the previous class we learned about what is a local time. So it is a time of a place which is decided by the location of the sun. We also learned what is the time zone of prime meridian, that is 0 degree. What is the full form of GMT? It is Greenwich Mean Time. And what is the GMT of India? It is plus 5 hours 30 minutes. It means it is ahead of prime meridian. How many total longitudinal lines are covered by the earth? There are 360-degree longitude lines. Now let us study the next part of the chapter. So, in which direction the earth rotates? The earth rotates from westward towards eastward. Okay, so now globe is divided into two hemispheres. It is divided into two hemispheres. First is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And as the earth rotates from west towards east, the longitude lines covering the eastern hemisphere faces the sun first. That's why the time is in plus in GMT of the eastern countries, and the time is ahead of western countries. It means it is increasing, whereas the western hemisphere faces the earth after eastern hemisphere. That's why the time is in minus GMT in western countries. The longitude lines lying in the west are behind. It means they are backward of eastern countries. Next, we also learned the distance between two longitude line is 4 minutes, because one longitude line is equal to 4 minutes, and as the distance between longitude line increases, the local time is also far much different from each other. So in today's class, we are going to learn about standard time. Okay, so do all the countries have one GMT or more than that? Yes, we can have one GMT or we can have more than one GMT. Now, what is the meaning of standard time? Standard time is basically a time which is common time for the country. Even if the states of India have different local times, according to their longitude lines, there is a general time set for the country which everyone follows. Even if in Mumbai the time is 5 am and in Kolkata it is 6 am, but they will only follow the general time, which is a standard time. Standard time is a local time of the longitude line which passes in the area which is in the middle of the country. So whatever time is there in that area is the standard time for the country. Okay, now as we can see in the maps, the line which is passing in the middle is said to be the standard time of the countries. All the countries, they have their standard times. There are 18 countries which have more than one standard time because their countries are large, whereas the smaller countries have only one standard time, which is followed by the people of the country. Okay, and if people follow their own times, it will create a lot of confusion and problem interacting, then communicating time with the people whose local time is different, and will create problem to the people who are doing businesses in the country. So to avoid these problems, people do not use local time. That's why we have a standard time. And as we all know, the countries, they do businesses at international level. So to coordinate with each other, standard time is set for all the countries, and to avoid conflicts and problems with each other, everyone has a different standard time, which becomes easy to communicate exact time on international level. We have total 24 time zones, and which are created with the help of prime meridian, which is the longitude line at 0 degree in the middle of the globe. It is also called as a prime meridian. Okay. One longitude line is equal to 4 minutes, and 15 longitude is equal to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. And India has 29 longitude starting at 68 degree longitude and ends at 97 degree longitude. So India has longitude line equal to 1 hour 56 minutes. That's why it has only one standard time, whereas the countries which have longitude line more than 40, one standard time won't be enough for the country. They will have 2 or 3 more than that. For example, Canada has 6 different time zones because there are total 89 longitude lines covering Canada. Russia has 11 standard time as the country is large and spread. There are more longitude lines, so there is one standard time. Now tell me, how many hours is India ahead of GMT? Okay, so India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of universal time. That is your GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, which lies in the middle. So now we'll be learning about the Indian Standard Time. Okay. This time is called as a Indian time. Now let us see. The standard time of India is the time of longitude line which passes through Mirzapur. It comes in the center of India and it is at 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude line. So whatever the time is in Mirzapur is the same time. That is the standard time for whole country. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between local time at 82 degree 30 minutes and other places in India, because India itself is a country of total 29 longitude line that is equal to 1 hour 56 minutes. So the line which is in the middle and the longitude lines of other places, the difference between them can be of 1 hour or less than that, but it can't be more than 1 hour. Okay. Now in this map, the line which is passing in the middle is at 82 degree 30 minutes, and as Mirzapur is in the center, the time in Mirzapur is considered to be the standard time of India. So even if the local times are different in states, the time which is in Mirzapur is the time for all. If it is 6 am in Mirzapur, it will be 6 am everywhere in the country, even in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, everywhere. So the local time of Mirzapur is considered to be the standard time of India. So the time of Mirzapur is the standard time of India. So when the sun is overhead in Mirzapur, it is 12 noon in Mirzapur, and it is assumed 12 noon everywhere in every state of India, even if the sun is not overhead in other states. Now, does universal time means for one country or for the whole world? Yes, absolutely correct. It's for the whole world. Like the countries have standard time, the world has a standard time which is called as a universal standard time. Like the longitude which is in middle of the particular country, that is considered as the standard time of the country. Similarly, the line which comes in middle of the globe, that is your GMT or prime meridian, is considered to be the universal standard time. So whatever time is in prime meridian, that is the universal standard time, and the local time at GMT in England is considered to be the international standard time. Now this is the homework for you all. It's a Google form link. I'm putting this link in the description box, and I request all of you to please go through the link for the revision. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.